Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing what really happened on GBPUSD and Gold for the week and what I'll be looking out for the coming days, for the coming week. So let's go into this video without wasting much of our time. As we see on the screen right now, I have GBPUSD on the screen. So what I was saying about GBPUSD for last week movement is going to be shown in this quick recap. If you trade GBPUSD for this week, you'll have seen what I want to explain in this video right now. This week has been a very messed up week because of the way the market has been moving. So a lot of things have happened in this week, and which really affected the market movement. There were no much opportunity in the market for this week. So let's dive into this analysis together for me to show you what really happened for the week, and most importantly what we'll be looking out for the coming week and how the market is going to go on from there. As you can see on this chart right now, I have GBPUSD and this is the daily time frame. And in my previous video on this analysis, I was talking about how price is going to, react to this level here. I'll probably bounce back into this market structure or probably continue selling off into this demand level. Let me quickly give a short recap of what really happened in my last video. So right now, I'm majorly expecting three things. I'm expecting three things to happen on this pair right now for next week. The very first one is for price to continue moving into this demand area here. That is one. Then the second thing that I'm expecting is for price to push back into this area here. After pushing back into this area here, either drop into this demand level or price takes out this level here, then make the movement into the supply level here. So as you can see from that video, I was talking about the way market is going to move for this week, for the just concluded week. Either price continue moving to the downside. I was talking about a trade that I entered on last week Friday. A very strange thing happened this week. I'll be showing the image on the screen. Let me just explain. Let me quickly just talk about what really happened on Monday. So I was in this trade on Friday. I was looking at this seller from this front on Friday because market respected this demand level from the daily time frame, and I was looking for opportunity to join the market to the bullish side of the market, but price just moved without me. Then on respecting these my point of interest here, that was when I joined the sell, like I said in that video. So I put in on this sell on that Friday. I put it on break even immediately. I saw the movement that is going on in my favor already. You can see I had about 40 pips plus in my favor, so I just put the trade on break even just for me to secure the trade. So on waking up on Monday morning, I saw this huge gap. I was very annoyed on Monday because I was like, what kind of gap is this? The gap took me out on break even, which I think I lost a little pips on this because my break even was around this level here. I'm not already the market open. Look at the gap. You can see the whole gap here. That was crazy. So that was what I saw on Monday. I was very annoyed on Monday. So I was like, okay, no problem, let's see what the market really wants to do. Then price pushed back into this market structure from the daily time frame. I was like, okay, is that what you want to do? No problem. So let's go along with the market, what the market decided to do. So price pushed back into this daily market structure, and as usual, I will wait for the 4-hour candlestick to close away from that market structure from the 4-hour time frame for me to know what I really want to do for that week. As you can see, price pushed back into this level here and close away from it on this time frame. I was like, okay, no problem. If that is what you want to do, they'll be looking for selling opportunity. And look at what the market did again. Instead of looking for the selling opportunity, I couldn't see any selling opportunity throughout that Monday. Then on Tuesday, I was like, okay, let's look for what will happen on Tuesday again. Then price push again deep into the market structure again before dropping massively again. You can see, so price keep going back into this market structure, this daily market structure, then bouncing off it, going back it, bouncing off it. Price tested it 3 times in a row for the week. You can see on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Thursday. So, and all these bouncing up from that point, I couldn't join the market from those because my setup didn't come the way I expect it to come. You understand? So, and that's the best thing. If your setup is not coming to play according to what you do, what you do, the best thing just for you to leave the market, for the market to do whatever it needs to do. Let me show you why I said so. So on that Monday, after price closed away from this on Monday, I was like, okay, let's see if market can give me a good setup for me to go in with. So I was expecting price to, you can see price took out this level here. You can see price took out this level here. So I was expecting price to come back into this my point of interest here and respect it. This is why I wait for confirmation before I join a trade. This is one of the main reasons why I wait for confirmation before I join a trade. I don't just spend another. I wait for confirmation. I wait for price to come into my point of interest, react to it, and respect it by dropping off from that particular point of interest, by closing it from that particular point of interest. So you can see what the market did there. Price pushed into it, then never came down. Just continue ranging within, then close out of it to the upside of the market. So for that, no trade for that. So again, price push into it again. I was like, okay, let's see what the market is going to do. Will the market come back into this level here for me to join the sell again? Look at what the market did. The same thing happened here. Price didn't get to my point of interest before dropping off. So these are the things that happened throughout this week. I couldn't join that sell movement at all for this week. So no trade on GBPUSD for this week. So what are we looking out for this week? If we look at the way the market closed on Friday, we go to the daily time frame, you see that the market closed bearish on Friday. So there's high tendency we continue the bearish movement from Monday. So what are we looking out for? We're looking out for the market to continue selling. Then again, this my point, this my level here is still my focus. So far price is moving below this daily market structure. The only time I'll be looking for buys on this market is for price to close above this market structure here, or price sell off into this demand level here and respect it before going up. So these are the things that I'm looking out for. I'm still looking out for the sell continuation into this demand level. Then if price is pushed back into this daily market structure again, I'll be waiting for price to either close to the downside and continue selling, or price takes that level out, then buy. Okay, as you can see, I was talking about where the price might be pushed to after seeing how the market reacted to this demand level from this daily time frame here. So price was pushed back into this market structure that we have up here. Then we have the closure of price below that market structure, which I said from my previous video that if price continue moving below this market structure, all what I'll be looking out for is to buy. And my next destination is this demand level down here. And if this demand level holds the price, I'll be looking for buys from that point back into this market structure here. But look at what the market did. Market took out this demand level. So I was looking out before now on daily time frame was this. I was looking at this next demand level here on this daily time frame for price to get to. But when I realized there is a structure here on the daily time, that was when I pull out this level here. You can see we have some levels here where price came back to this area here on this fib retracement level before going up. Then I noticed this level here has been an important level in the past. You can see if you extend it backward, you can see that price keep coming back into that level multiple times. You can see price keep coming back into that level multiple times in the past. So that is that was the main reason why I pulled out that level to be a daily market structure. And look at what the market did. Price closed on Friday just within that just testing and rejecting that level. So the only thing I'm looking at right now is how price wants to react to this market structure that I have right here. How price really want to react to this market structure is what I'm really looking at right now. So if price can just hold, if this level here can hold the price, then I'll be trading this market back up into this market structure here, and that will be around how many pips like that, about 350. let's say about 350, 360 pips. That is the movement that we'll be looking out for if price should respect this level here and bounce back. So that is what I'll be looking out for. But if this level here fails to hold the price, then I'll be looking at this demand level here down here. This demand level down here is where I'll be looking at price to be pushed to, and that is going to be around 170 pips movement. So this is what I'm really looking at on GBPUSD. So I'll wait for the 4-hour confirmation on this time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I'll wait for candlestick closure. Let me just use this to interpret what I'm talking about here. I'll be waiting for a bullish candlestick, something like this, away from this 4-hour. Or if that is not going to happen, I'll be looking for a bearish candlestick closure away from that level to the downside in this manner like this. So if I can see any of these happening, so I will know where the market is really going. So this is going to be the confirmation for me for the coming week. So let's see what will happen by the during the first hours of market opening on Sunday stroke Monday. So let's see what this is going to bring for the week. So that's all on GBPUSD. So let's move to gold. So I was looking at price movements on gold from this point here. After I bought from this area here last 2 weeks, I bought gold from this area last 2 weeks, and I was out after price reacted to this market structure here. That was when I pulled out on that trade. Then price sold up from that point till we have it, into this demand area here. So after price got to this level, I was expecting price to close above this level for me to join the bullish side, but the market just continues selling off from that point. You can see price continues selling off from that area till we have it on this level that we have it right now. So that is what really happened on gold as well. So what are we looking at for gold for this coming week? I'm looking at this demand level here on the 4-hour being respected somehow, because price failed to close below it, then close above it. I was like, okay, I'm not really pleased with the movement here though, because of this week. For price to close above it again and start ranging like this high tendency market want to go up. Yes, this high tendency market want to go up from that point. So that's why I'm still leaving it here. I will only take this off if I see a clear closure of price below it. Let's see what this is going to give. So if this movement holds this way, I'm still regarding this market structure up here. So let's see what this is going to give. Do you have anything on the daily time frame? Let me check the daily time frame if there's any. Okay, nothing on the daily time frame to draw. So let me see this 4-hour again. This 4-hour, you can see this market, this structure here was taken out. So I should be looking at price reaction at this level here. So in case these bullish movements really want to go up, I will be looking at price reaction at this demand, at this supply level here, and this market structure up here. So that is what I'm really looking at right now. So a price should move from this point here upward. I'll be looking at price to make it back into this supply level, or probably price pushed back into this area here. We'll still be looking at this supply level anyways. So anywhere the price is being pushed to, my focus is still going to be the supply level here. Either price continue buying from this demand level or make it to this market structure down here or this demand level here. I will still be looking at price going up into this supply level. So for me to buy or for me to continue selling this market is when I have all these trade level being cleared. Then again, I'm looking at something here. I just saw something here which I shouldn't overlook. I shouldn't overlook this. I just saw something which I should not overlook. Look at this market structure here. Can we see this market structure? So this market structure here can be another factor for price to, continue selling from that point. That is what I just saw here right now. You see, price can make this kind of movement from this point back here, then start selling again from that point. So that is one thing here. So I'm adding this to my setup right now. So you can see if price should continue buying from this point here, we should look at price at this level as well. Let's see what the market is going to do at this level. It's going to respect. If 4-hour candlestick should hold within this level, then close below it, that means we want to continue the sell. But if this level is taken out, then the buy continues into the supply level or this market structure up. So that's that on GBPUSD and Gold for this coming week. Let's see how the market is going to behave, and let's hope we are going to have enough profit to take from the market for this week. Thanks for staying this long, and see you guys again next week. Bye for now.